OBDPEAK K2-Cam 4K 2160p car mirror video recording CarPlay. Front 4K 2160p plus rear 1080p record. 10.26-inch ultra-wide-angle full-view touchscreen, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Very clear and smooth images display as like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror. Supports simultaneous 1:1 display of front and rear cameras. Latest CarPlay and Android Auto features. The OBDPEAK K2 recorder uses the latest technology, supports CarPlay and Android Auto functions. Users can easily and safely make calls, listen to music, send and receive messages, use navigation, support Siri, and more. New upgrade: wired plus wireless Android Auto. OBDPEAK K2-Cam 4K 2160p car mirror video recording CarPlay. Supports wired and wireless Android Auto, which can adapt to more mobile phone models, enabling you to use mobile phone functions intelligently and safely when driving the vehicle. Full screen navigation function. In CarPlay mode, the DVR can realize the navigation function, and you can directly wake up the voice assistant and say your destination. It will help you plan your route, which is more convenient and safe for your drive. GPS tracking. After connecting the GPS module, the DVR will display the speed and record the speed coordinates and track. Dedicated player. More detailed playback display. You can view your speed coordinates, track in detail. 5 GHz height speed Wi-Fi. OBDPEAK K2 equipped with built-in Wi-Fi. It can be connected to a mobile phone. You can preview real-time images to view historical records and quickly download pictures. With the latest 5 GHz technology, the video transmission speed will be faster and smoother than the traditional 2.4 GHz FMT. RANSMITTE, RNB, LUET, OTH&O connection. Built-in multi-chip audio output mode. Wireless Bluetooth or FM output or wired audio output can be selected, and high-fidelity audio output can be retained. In-app video download and real-time viewing. You can control the DVR by connected mobile phone via Wi-Fi, like recording video. The file recorded video from the overriding, taking photo, playback preview. Parameter settings. 2 modes. 1. When you are not connected to your mobile phone, K2 is a streaming dashcam with dual lens to record your driving dynamics in all aspects. 2. When you connect your phone and start CarPlay Android Auto, K2 is a smart dashcam that provides more functions and enriches your driving experience. 24H parking cable. 24H parking cable allows you to connect dashcam to a vehicle battery source. Get constant power supply from the battery directly, so your car DVR will keep work even when ignition is off.